Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily embed a live video stream onto your Wix website. If you've ever wanted to broadcast live events, stream content for your audience, or simply keep your site dynamic and engaging with real-time video from YouTube, this tutorial is just for you. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set this up, step by step. No previous experience required. Let's get straight into it. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix web design dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. It's your creative playground, and today, we're going to add something really cool to it. Once you're inside your editing environment, look at your page and think about where you'd like your live video stream to appear. Maybe you want it front and center on your homepage for maximum visibility, or tucked into an events section. Totally up to you. Next, let's add a section to the page. You do this by hovering over the area on your site where you want the new content to live. Click Add a Section. This is like laying down a new canvas where you'll place your video. Wix's editor is really intuitive here, but if you're not sure where to put it, remember you can always drag and move sections later. Now, to actually add the video player, look for the Add Elements button. It's usually on the left sidebar and has a plus sign icon. Go ahead and click that. You'll see tons of options pop up, but since we're working with video, scroll down to the Video and Music category. This section is designed for all things multimedia. Perfect for showcasing your YouTube live stream. Inside Video and Music, select Single Video Players. This refers to embedding just one video, as opposed to a gallery. When you click into that, you'll see several style options for video players. Choose the one that fits your site's look. But don't worry too much, you can adjust styles later. Among the choices, click the one labeled YouTube. This is crucial because we're specifically looking to embed a YouTube live stream, not just any video file. By selecting YouTube, you ensure the player is optimized for streaming, and it'll automatically link up with the live video's feed. Alright, now for the next step, head over to YouTube in a separate browser tab. Search for the live video you wish to feature on your site. This could be anything from a live music performance to a news feed, or your own broadcast if you're running one. Once you've found it, take a moment to confirm it's truly live and working well. Copy the website URL straight from your browser's address bar. This is the direct link to your live stream. Jump back to your Wix editor and look for a button or option that says Change Video. Click on that, and you'll get a field where you can paste that YouTube URL. Pop it in there, and Wix will automatically pull the live stream into your video player. It may take a few seconds for the preview to load, so don't worry if you don't see the stream instantly. Once it appears, you'll have the live video embedded right there on your site. And that's it. Super simple, right? You've just added a live YouTube stream to your Wix site in minutes. This is a great way to keep your audience engaged and offer real-time content without fussing over complicated code or external plugins. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Wix feature you'd like to learn. Subscribe so you won't miss out on more web design tips and tricks coming your way. Thanks for watching, and good luck adding that live stream to your site.